But couldn't your brain handle it if we really use the full capacity of our brain?
Okay, so this whole thing, we're only using 10% of your brain?
That's not real? Yeah.
No, it's not. No.
What do you mean?
There's a whole movie based on that premise. The premise is false.
Then what's the truth?
I'll tell you where that line came from. You didn't know about this?
No.
100 some years ago, a brain scientist who published a paper, because how do you research what's going on in somebody's brain ethically? You can't. So what happens? People get brain injuries. There'd be something would hit one side of the brain or the other. They test them to see, do they lose their language, their facial recognition, their memory, their short-term memory. They do these experiments on people who had brain injuries. And when it was done, he said, the brain is so complex, we only know what 10% of it is used for. That became, we only use 10% of our brain. Because that's the mantra of the teacher telling the students that they have more potential. But it's a complete misunderstanding of the original sentence.